Hello students, welcome to INSPIRE EDUCARE. In today's video, we will solve one problem from the topic array, which is generally asked in interviews. So today's question is that we have given an array which consists of only 0, 1 and 2. We need to sort the array without using any sorting algorithm. That is, we have to put all the zeros first, then all the 1 and all the 2's at the last. So for an input of array 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, we should get an output 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. That is in sorted form. So we will see how we can solve this question. So for this problem, we will use famous Dutch national flag problem algorithm. We will keep three indices, low equal to 0, mid equal to 0 and high equal to n minus 1, where n is the size of the array. We will traverse the array from the start to end till the mid is less than equal to high condition hold true. When this condition becomes false, we will come out of the loop. So for the first condition, we will check if the element at mid is 0, then we will swap the element with the element at index low, and we will update both low and mid by 1. So then comes the second condition. If the element at mid is 1, then we have to simply update the mid by 1. And if the element at mid is 2, then we have to swap the element with the element at index high and update high equal to high minus 1. That is, we decrease the high. Then at last, when the condition becomes false, that is mid is not equal, less than equal to high, then we will print the output. So suppose we have an array of size 5. Array look like 0, 1, 0, 2, 1. We have 3 pointers, that is left, which is equal to 0, mid, which is also equal to 0, and high, which is equal to n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Now we will check the condition. So now here we will check the condition. For loop is while mid is less than equal to high, which hold true. So we will enter into the loop. Now the first condition is if array of mid is equal to 0. So here we have to swap array of mid with array at left, and we have to update both the pointer, that is mid plus plus and left plus plus. So here first condition hold true, so we will swap array of mid with array of left, but here nothing happened to that, so we will update the mid pointer to 1 and left pointer to 1. Now they will start pointing to another element, that is this element. Now the second condition is array of mid is equal to 1. So in this case we don't have to do anything, we will just update the mid pointer. So now the value of mid become 2 and it will start pointing toward this element. Now array of mid becomes equal to 0. That is the first condition, this condition. So we will swap array of mid and array of left. So after swapping, it becomes 0 and it becomes 1. Now we will update mid. So mid will become 3 and we will update left. So left will become 2. Now left will point toward this and mid will point toward this. Here comes the third condition, that is array of mid is equal to 2. So here we have to swap the array of mid with array at high, right? So we will swap this, and here we have to decrease the right pointer, that is this pointer, let it be right. So here becomes this. So now we will swap this with the right. So the array will become 1 and here comes 2. Now we will decrease the right pointer. So right pointers comes pointing towards this. Now we will check the condition again. Now this condition hold true, that is if array of mid equal to 1. So we will update mid by 1. So it become 4. Now mid will point toward the last element. Now this condition becomes false. That is mid will become greater than equal to right. So this will comes out of the loop and it will return. So now let's see the code. So in main function we have first entered the size of the array. Then we have dynamically created the array. Then we have run the loop from 0 to less than n to enter the element for the array. Then we have used a function sort in which we have passed array and size of the array as argument. At last we have printed the array in the sorted order. So let's see the sort function. In sort function we have three variables, that is start, mid and end. Now end is equal to n minus 1 and start and mid is equal to 0. Now we will run a loop till mid is less than equal to end. Now we will check the conditions. So the first condition is if a of mid is equal to 0. Then in this condition we have to swap the element at start with the mid, and we have to increase the start variable and mid variable by 1. So the next condition comes when a of mid become equal to 1. Now in this condition we don't have to do anything, we just have to update the mid. So we have done mid plus plus. Now the last condition, which is a of mid is equal to 2. So in this we have to swap the element at end with the element at mid, and we have to decrease the end. So we have done end minus minus. This loop will run till mid is less than equal to end. When this condition becomes false, it will comes out of the loop and the function will return. So let's see the run part of the code. So we have to enter the size of the element. So let the size should be 7. Let the element be 1 0 1 0 2 1 2. Let's see the output. So the output comes 0 0 1 1 1 2 2. That is in the sorted form. So we have sorted the array without using any sorting algorithm. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.